Are you considering turning your dressmaking, or you're a seamstress or a fashion designer, and creating a new avenue of income? Have you thought about of all the different types of infinity dresses of my entire business pattern collection that is specially designed for entrepreneurs who want to become fashion bosses, or they're expanding their actual sewing fashion business and they want to step into something a little bit more sustainable. And people are getting married all the time, so you can't go wrong. I thought about making infinity dresses for bridesmaids, because this is definitely an industry that is ongoing. Every single week, every month, someone is getting married. And the big thing is that when a bride gets her entourage of all her bridesmaids together, they have different body shapes, different body proportions, different heights, and different sizes. And when a bride brings in an infinity gown into her actual entourage and bridal theme, the nice thing about the infinity dresses is that it can be worn for any body shape, body size, or body proportion, depending on how you're going to wrap it and how you're going to actually wear it to bring out your own true personality. So the bridesmaids still feel totally individual, but yet still absolutely part of the bride's, theme and part of her party, and still being part of her, but still being an individual woman with their own particular style, the way they're wearing the infinity dress. And of course, it's very forgiving because the panel is very high underneath the bust line. It's a midriff cut. So this is always a smallest part of any woman's body. So it gives you that shape of having a waistline. Doesn't matter if you've got a tummy or nice full. If you enjoy this kind of content, and you are an absolute entrepreneur in this fashion industry, then check out all my other products that I have as well to share, to help grow your business and to motivate and give you confidence and to show you what kind of habits you need to be totally successful in your business. So if you like this type of content, how about just giving me some love and just grow the fashion industry, and to share this knowledge and give me a thumbs up, a like, share and subscribe. I would absolutely appreciate it. Thank you so much. Voluptuous hips. This is definitely a type of dress that anyone can wear. And then of course you can always alternate the hemlines. You can change the hemlines to square hemline, high, low. You can do the full circle. Now I have a full spectrum of patterns, as well as a little bolero jacket for those who want to hide their arms, or if the weather changes slightly, it's a bit cooler out there. So I have all these patterns combined together, creating an entire bridal business package for you. If you're a designer or a seamstress and you want to add this into your collection as another service, or maybe you can even supply boutiques. I've been supplying boutiques for the last few years, just making my infinity dresses, and I really couldn't keep up. So it's definitely a sustainable business that you could offer. You would need to have some sewing experience, of course, because you're working with, a stretch fabric that has a tremendous amount of stretch. So my pattern works all out for you. The negative ease, everything's been put in the patterns. My patterns have been tested. They work for all the different sizes that I have. I even went up to a size 54. So I've made from petite to very full plus size garments, sizes in the infinity dress, and I brought the patterns out for you to use, that you can turn this into a business. So this is a business package with all the patterns combined. There's about 10 patterns plus a few extra little bolero jackets that you can actually add to your collection to sell. Now you can supply boutiques, you can sell online, so you would need to know how to sew with stretch fabric. This is very easy garments to make. You can make them within a few hours. You can do quite a few a day. So if you are interested in absolutely expanding your products and your services to your clients, or starting an entirely new business in the bridal industry, then this business package, it will definitely be a huge income changer for you and your business. I also have one more thing that you could add for a business stream for yourself is I have an affiliate business program. So I'm collaborating with other designers and other seamstresses and dresser makers who also have their own website, who want to have other products to sell. You can sell my patterns and my courses and get a tremendous amount of commission out of it. And you're basically earning money while you're asleep, and I've done all the hard work for you, but I'm collaborating with you and I'm helping you to also increase your income streams, which absolutely makes me so happy as a fashion business coach. So this is Tania Sutherland.